Weather resistant with an ergonomic handle. Easy to use, even while wearing gloves. 12 feet, 3.7 meters, lead. Ultraweather, mud resistant thanks to improved sealing. D-shaped plug, fits older round sockets and newer D-shaped sockets. The Warn 83665 Truck Winch Control is weather resistant with an ergonomic handle. Easy to use, even while wearing gloves, and offers the exceptional 12 feet, 3.7 meters lead. It is ultraweather, mud resistant thanks to improved sealing. The D-shaped plug, fits older round sockets and newer D-shaped sockets. Compatibility. Previous generation of Warn truck winches. Top reviews from the United States. Doesn't work with VR EVO 10s. I bought this for a backup. Same great Warn quality, but it does not work with the Warn VR EVO 10s. I do have a Warn plug extension mounted on my bumper and I thought that might be it, but I plugged it directly into the winch and it still didn't work.